everyone. Real quick, I just wanted to give you an overview on the 7.05 final project and what the expectation is there and exactly what you should be working on. I'm working on creating the file now, so right now there's nothing in there, but you'll see this video obviously and then a few other links and the final assignment, which the final assignment is finished. So I'm going to go over that really quick with you. So basically for the 7.05 assignment, it is your final project. It basically is going to show me that you understand the basics of journalism, that you've been paying attention all semester, and that you are putting to use what you've learned in one final project. So there is no final exam for our course. So this project is technically the final exam, which you will be able to work on um, uh, during the entire week of finals. So, with that, what you're going to do is you're going to take that original 4.05 simple news article and you are going to make changes to it like you did the adaptable writer assignment in 6.07. So if you have not done 6.07, if you have not done 5.08, I would highly recommend that you do those before attempting this because it's going to be very confusing for you and there's a good chance you're not going to be able to make the transition and do what you need to do, especially for this assignment to be done effectively. So you're going to take that 4.05 news article and you're going to look at back at it and you're going to look and see what you can um, eliminate from it and make it shorter like you did the adaptable writer assignment. So in the adaptable writer assignment, remember you had a big news article and you made it shorter and put in the most pertinent and important information that really needed to be in the article. So you're going to do that with your own article. So you're going to have to cut it down. So once you cut your article down and you take out all the wordiness and you just have kind of the facts, then you're going to take this article and you're going to make it to where it's going to be like an online article, just the adaptable writer assignment was. So with that, after you delete what you can, you are going to add those bells and whistles. So you're going to add any hyperlinks. You're going to add those pictures. You're going to add those graphics. You're adding all of the things that's going to make your article really hit that online entity that we're looking for, just like we did in the adaptable writer assignment. So what I'm definitely looking for is that you have cut down your own article, that you've added some type of picture or graphics for me, that you've added some type of hyperlink. The more creative, the better. I love when you guys are super creative, and that is absolutely fantastic. And then the last thing that I want to make sure that you are doing is that you have to submit both your 4.05 and your final project in one document. So basically, all I want you to do is copy and paste your original 4.05 and put it here. And then whatever your new 7.05, you're going to start that submission here. Okay. So if these are not in the same document, I'm going to return them to you. The reason I need them in the same document is because I need to see them side by side and I need to see that you've cut it down and I need to see the difference in the changes that you've made to that original article. So if I have two up at one time, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. Where if they're all in the same article, it's going to be much easier for me to assess that you've made the changes that you need to make for this assignment. So I will have two help sessions for this assignment over the next week or two, and you will be able to come in and ask any questions you need to. If for some reason you're not able to attend that help session, then I would absolutely send me an email. And if you need any, or if you have any questions or you need anything answered, absolutely let me know. Okay. But for some of you, you may already actually be done with your final project. If you made all of these changes before you submitted to that Dropbox or for that discussion board assignment we did back in 6.0, what was it? 6.08? Sorry. No, 5.08. If you already made a bunch of changes and you formatted it differently and you're good to go, you may actually be done with your final project. So if you're not, then please go in and make sure that you're making the changes that you need to before you submit it. There is a rubric attached to this Dropbox as well, so I really want you looking at the rubric. It is the same exact rubric that was there for the adaptable writer. So you should be familiar with it. You should know what I'm looking for. You're going to be assessed on the exact same thing. Okay. So with that, if you have any questions, absolutely let me know. Good luck. And it was great having you all in class this semester.